What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer or send Solana from Binance to MetaMask wallet. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly do so? Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go and open up your MetaMask wallet. Now from here, we want to go ahead and get our address here first for our Solana, since we are transferring from Binance to MetaMask. So typically you want to go and go to the top left here and you want to choose your network. So in my case, I'm using the in this case, Binance Smart Chain here. So go ahead and choose this one. Now from here, you want to scroll down a bit here and you want to go ahead and add Solana. So you want to go ahead and click on the three-dotted option here and you want to go ahead and click on import tokens. Now from here, just type in Sol and you want to go ahead and choose Solana. Now in this case, we'll be adding Solana here that uses the BNB or Binance Smart Chain network. So let's go ahead and click on Next. Now from here, let's go ahead and click on import. And once you've done that, let's go ahead and choose Solana. Click on it. Now from here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and start receiving this. So what you could do here is you want to go ahead. So usually in here, you should have the option that says receive. But just in case if you don't see the receive button here like I'm currently seeing right now, what I would suggest you try doing here is you want to go ahead and basically use the BNB wallet first. So in this case, you want to go ahead and select this and you want to go ahead and click on receive and click on copy address. Now you want to go ahead and open up your Binance account. You want to go to trade here and you want to go to your spot trading. Now, in here, you want to go ahead and use BNB here. So let's just type in sol/BNB. Look for the pair here. And what you need to do is you want to basically trade your Solana into BNB just to make the transfer itself. But once you've done that, what we need to do is we want to go to the top right here, go to your wallet, and you want to go ahead and go to your spot wallet. Now, in here, you want to go ahead and click on the withdraw option and choose your coin. So let's go ahead and choose like maybe BNB here. And from here, you want to add your address. So let's go ahead and just paste the address that we copied before. And let's go ahead and choose our network. Now again, we are using the BNB Smart Chain here. Let's go ahead and choose BSC. And make sure the address, or sorry, the network here or the chain is correct. So make sure it's the same thing that you're using before. But yeah, so go ahead and specify the amount that you want to transfer and also review the fees here. But once you've done that, go ahead and click on withdraw and confirm that you want to make the transaction. But in this case, go ahead and enter your, in this case, verification code. Once you've done that, it just takes a few minutes for the transaction to complete. But once you've done that, what we need to do here is we want to go ahead and basically transfer or start the swapping process. So at the top right of your screen, go ahead and click on, in this case, your MetaMask, and you want to go ahead and choose swap. Now from here, you want to choose BNB for the first one. You want to select your second token, which in this case is going to be Solana. Let's go and choose Solana here. Let's go and choose this one. And from here on, specify the amount that you want to swap. Click on the swap option you see at the very bottom here. And also make sure to review the fees and the network fees here. But in this case, go ahead and confirm that and you should now have, or you should now be containing Solana into your MetaMask wallet. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.